Interesting facts about flamingos that you don't know. The first one is that flamingos' nets are made of mud. Flamingo get their pink color from their food. Flamingos are filter feeders and turn their heads upside down to eat. A group of flamingos is called flamboyant. There are 6 flamingo species. The first one is Caribbean, Lesser, Greater, Puna, Chilean, Andean. Flamingos' knees don't bend backward. Their legs actually bend just like human legs. Some flamingos live in extreme environment, extremely salty water that can burn someone's skin. Flamingo parents feed their chicks a liquid they secrete called crop milk. And the last one is that flamingos can sleep standing on one leg.